coming week. Okay, so the first thing I always do is I go into the DXY, okay, and I try to go in with a straight mind. So if we see here with the DXY, okay, if we delete just everything, we can see on the daily, okay, if we can just bring this here up. So if we see on the daily, for example, we can see that we have a imbalance over here. I mean, an order block and an imbalance right beneath it. We're coming very close towards it. So like, what can we see on the dollar, right? We saw we didn't kind of mitigate this order block here. So we can basically mark that out. So we can mark this out, okay? This is an order block that hasn't been mitigated, and this is on the daily time frame, okay? So we go from higher time frame into the lower time frame, guys. And I'm showing you guys stuff that is worth $1 million, okay? Just use it correctly, and you will be a millionaire. It doesn't matter, okay? Second thing is, where did we react from? Okay, we saw a reaction from this gap over here, okay? This order block over here, we saw that the dollar index kind of reacted from that and wanted to go up, okay? Now we're coming to a demand zone, okay? And within that, wait, let's delete all of this. Boom. Okay, so we can see that we're starting to almost come into here, and we can expect to kind of see a reaction. And once we see that reaction on the lower time frame, some sort of distribution, we can go into the cells, right? So, and where could we potentially target? We could potentially target over here, okay? So that is the thought for right now, okay? So my thought right now, we're coming towards a point of interest on the daily. We're gonna scale in now. We're gonna go into the lower time frame, see what is happening. So if we go in the 4-hour, we see that we had the push up, okay? On the 4-hour, there was this order block here that got mitigated very quickly, okay? So this was the mitigation. If we look at it like this was the mitigation, okay? This was the mitigation, and then from the mitigation, we have a 4-hour order block right here, okay? That is what I mean with scaling in, okay? And even from there, we can go into the 1-hour. We can start to see things, okay? We can start to see, okay, what is gonna happen right here? We're just kind of seeing the market almost trading. We're trading upwards. Sorry, guys. So all of the time over here is 1 o'clock. But yeah, we're trading upwards, okay? This means that we can expect some sells, okay? Everything that goes up has to go down. We have a lot of imbalances that's unfilled on the dollar index on the 1-hour. Look into the 15-minute. We can let's see what the market has to offer us, okay? So first of all, this liquidity here has been taken out, okay? The Asian high has been taken out. Liquidity taken, okay? If we can see a closer below that candlestick, boom, then we will have our change of character. Then possibly, like, this has been a mitigated area, so possibly we could go out of this one. 15-minute sell, okay? And that's only if the market decides to close below it. Guys, I'm telling you, crypto. Sorry, guys. Wallah, sorry. I'm so sorry for today. I will never host it so late again. That's like I came home like 15 minutes ago, and I was like, you know what? I'm still gonna host it today. I'm gonna do it no matter what. And then yeah. So let's see. This was Friday. Let's see the 5 minutes what is happening. Yeah, we'll probably find out if we see a change of character here on the 1 minute. Boom. How is the liquidity taken above? It's taken with the wick. So liquidity is taken with the wicks. So if we see here, this is the high over here and this is the high over here. It even shows it with this blue line. You know, we keep it very simple. So we just delete everything, and now we know what to look for, okay? And if we go towards gold, which is one of my favorite pairs, and we do the same thing, okay? So if we think that the dollar index is gonna go up a little bit before it goes down, it means that the gold has to go down a little bit before it goes up, okay? On the daily, it doesn't look so good. Looks like we're kind of consolidating above here. We're very high up, so everything that is high has to drop. So we can take a look at this. It's a distribution. Okay. We can take a look at this as a distribution. We want to see some sort of signs, okay? So what kind of signs are we gonna look for? We're gonna look for where the liquidity is placed. So we have 1, 2, 3, okay. Let's see the volume bars, what the volume bar says. Okay, so the volume bar says selling is not so high. Selling gets very high, but we go low, like we go higher. And then selling also here, I hope this is a pattern for you guys. If we just look at this, if we take this in context, this and this in context, we can see that the market would go down, okay? Why? I'm gonna show you guys why. Because the market like to manipulate us, okay? So these volume bars just they indicate they indicate manipulation for me, okay? So I see that the market has less selling, but we're lower. And once we become higher up, we have more selling climbing. No, more selling, okay? This means basically that the sellers want to push harder, but they wasn't able enough, okay? So we have to find, let's go into the 30-minute. Let's try to see what it's saying to us. As of right now, even the 15-minute. This could be also reaccumulation. Okay, gold has no opportunities for us, right? Let's look at USD CAD. Do you guys have any pairs that you want me guys to look at? Any specific pairs? If you guys have, just drop me a DM. I already have this 1 hourly point of interest over here. Oh shit. You know what? I'm gonna remove everything. I like it when it's cleaner. So we have this and we have this. Okay, now we're in between both of them. Okay, so we're in a range, guys. You guys have to learn about the range. Okay, the range is basically AUD, USD, S&P 500. Okay, we will take a look at both of them. But first, I'm just gonna talk a little bit more. My guy Bilal, Allah, my G, real lion. So if we look at this, we have order block right here. We have the same order block right here. Okay. And if we just take a look at where we are at the market, we have taken this liquidity. Okay. So we have taken this liquidity. If we liquidity is taken from here. So if we go drop down to the 15-minute, okay. If we just see a sign here on the 15-minute that the market wants to change direction and gives us a perfect order block, then we can potentially sell it to here at least, you know. But we're in between these two ranges, so we'll wait and see. I'm putting an alert on both of them. Add alert, add alert. Okay. AUSD COF. No, we're gonna look at S&P 500. Okay, so if we go from the higher time frame, okay, just like we did, just to get an understanding. Okay, S&P 500 has been trading sideways upwards. Okay, so we have that in thought. We haven't changed any directions on the daily. So look into the 4 hour, we have basically mitigated a perfect order block over here. We go into the 15-minute now. This looks good. This looks very good. We had the inducement. This is called the inducement, guys. This is called the inducement, guys. This is basically where liquidity has been this week here. Okay, right below the order block. USD and Bitcoin. Okay, guys, we'll take a look at all of them. I will take a look at them. But S&P 500, my thought right now is the change of character. As soon as we get the change of character, me personally, I will also be jumping in it. Looks very, very good. We have like imbalances here to fill up. We have more imbalances here. We have this equal highs here on the 5-minute probably. So yeah, it looks very good. I'm just gonna put on alarm right here once it crosses. And then we're gonna look at AUD USD. I'm just gonna favorite this blue AUD USD. 1 hour, 5-minute. Let's see. Let's delete all drawings. Okay, so the 1 hour is telling me, okay, we have I'm just gonna go through it very quickly, okay? We have a mitigation over here, and then from that mitigation, we're gonna have a potential order block. Okay, on the 1 hour. Wait, guys. Yes. Okay, so the 1 hour, that's basically what the 1 hour tells me on AUD USD. Let's check AUD CAD. AUD CAD is just well. And we have this order block over here also, but marking it out just in case. Okay, I'm marking this out also. I'm putting, guys, alerts is the most important things. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Now we're gonna look at USD, and then we will take a look at Bitcoin. And I have something crazy for you guys. There's 11 people inside of here. Okay, and you guys will be getting some information that is so valuable. Okay, I got it today from a multi-millionaire. Okay, I will give you some valuable information, guys, that you could use. Okay, but it's gonna be after this. So we have EURUSD, boom. We have hasn't broke the structure. If you look at the 5-minute, 5-minute has blown up, you know, but the only thing I really dislike is this equal lows, you know. So I'm gonna stay out of it. I don't like it. But we still haven't broken anything. But it's the fact that we have Asian range, okay, guys? And with the Asian range, it's not so smart to trade on it. Okay. Bitcoin. I've already looked at Bitcoin. But Bitcoin, we could see a reaction from here. Okay. Let's see if the market would like to come back to it. Creating probably liquidity down below here. Take it out. We might be coming back up to here before we can trade it a little bit down, and then we can buy from here maybe. But we had the dip over here. and with the dip there was a good opportunity on Solana. So this is the opportunity that I'm talking about. If we look at the 1 hour, we had a perfect, no, it wasn't 15 minutes, we had a perfect order block here. Came to the 1 hour, no, 15-minute order block. It was worth $110, guys. Now it's worth $200. So it gained basically 100% in 10 days. Okay, and there's a lot of projects out there that you will be able to do the same thing with. And we have, what is this? Singular, I don't know how to pronounce it, but same thing. We can properly select. We have liquidity. Market came over here. All right. Now, as soon as we see the consolidation happening, we would want to enter here. Okay? So let's see what is gonna happen. Shiba. Let's look 4 hours. So guys, this is Shiba. Imagine this. Let's go into the daily time frame. So what the market does, okay, 2021. Okay, I think this is when Corona came, market flies up, the crash happens, people are stressing, selling, and then we have consolidation for the longest time. And we get consolidation for the longest time. After the consolidation, starting to see expansion, right? So this is very normal to see in the crypto market, guys. You just have to kind of get used to it. Okay. So let's search up. Let's search up meme coins. We're gonna try to find a few meme coins that we can kind of analyze. Okay, we have Dodge. We have Pepper. No, I'm not gonna do that. Near protocol volume. We care only about the volume, guys. $8. And let's see the project from the first one. Okay, so we're just gonna try to find a few meme coins. There was a few meme coins, but I don't remember the name of them. Shiba is very good. Pepper, Lucky. I have a friend here who made $100,000 in one trade, trading meme coins. Is good. Okay, but guys, very important to invest in crypto, okay? But let's have a summary. So what I'm looking at for this week, okay? We're going to the 1 hour, always looking in the 1 hour first. So we have these 2 points of interest in the 1 hour, which I will be posting in the group right now. I will be posting it on Instagram. Free chart. Guys, I have something very big upcoming, guys. Very, very big for you guys. You guys will really like it. I'm working on something with a few other people. Okay. and we're gonna do something great for you guys. And it's gonna be all worth it. I don't care about the money, guys. I made my money from Forex. It doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna do this just to help you guys out. Even this call, I'm just doing it just to help you out, guys, you know? USD CAD, USD CAD, UY, alert. Okay, so we have this on the 1 hour. USD, so UY. So we have USD sort as well. What else do we have? Guys, if you have any questions, drop it in the chat. See, I was predicting this move, but I didn't take it on USD JPY. Now look at it. If I were to take it, just like with a normal, easily 1 to 20 with 20 pips. Let's say. Imagine if I had like 6.5. That would have been crazy. Okay, but the USD JPY, like we said, it's trading sideways. To be honest, I don't like sideways market, but I'm just gonna mark out this for you guys. You guys can have something. Okay, and I will just put alarms just in case, so I can notify you guys as well. USD, nothing. GBP USD. We have this order block from last week that is not mitigated, and we have this one. To be honest, this one I don't like because, like we said about the inducement, we have inducement right here that hasn't been taken out, and there's an order block right above it, you know, so it makes the green order block way stronger than the gray one. So wait, I forgot to put on the blue color. The blue color for me means basically that the market is ready, you know. Questions, guys? No questions, nothing. I will answer it for free, guys. So don't be shy, just ask. Like S&P 500. Might be the best trade that I could possibly catch for this week. I really like it. But guys, until next time, okay, tomorrow, my IG Bilal, I will tell you it to you personally, broski. Okay, but guys, until next time, till I think tomorrow in London session, I will go live, but in one condition. I will go live in one condition. Okay, if you guys come on it and tell your friends. Okay, otherwise I won't go live for free anymore. I will stop it. Okay, guys, I hope that sounds good. I hope you guys learned something new while I was showing you all of my point of interests, the way I think, and everything about that. And until then, guys, I hope you guys enjoy your evening or your night. Sleep well. Until tomorrow, guys. Bye bye. Ciao.